mentioned about dog food. So we'll have to obviously they don't really sell kosher dog food. We'll have to check the ingredients before buying it, right?
I would say this ingredient list do not tell you much. I'm not going to tell you much.
Yeah.
So go, I guess go to on Google and or go to OU, orthodoxunion.org, and type there in search kosher food. And I would suggest to everybody. I installed on my phone OU application, and it's search for kosher food. Understand? So you want whatever you want kosher. Let's say you want to buy something online, right? And online, and you if you type in whatever food you want to buy on Amazon, it's going to give you 14,000 choices. I don't need 14,000 choices. I need like one manufacturer, two manufacturers that do kosher. Right, and sometimes, unfortunately, this in some states in the U.S. They make this law of kosher. Well, what is kosher for them? They put K, letter K. There is no pig. That's for them. It's kosher. And unfortunately, on Amazon and other Walmart, I saw also they would put like in specification they would put kosher, and sometimes they put only people would only one picture like a front or a side, and sometimes it's a blurry picture, so you cannot clearly see the kosher sign. You understand? And some people bought it, so I told them they're allowed to return, even though there is no return. Call them and tell them that you said it's kosher, it's not kosher. So, and a customer support actually accepted all the time. They accepted. There is some websites. I love some websites. What is it? What is the website? Webstaurant.com, right? So webstaurant.com. So they have they say kosher, and they scan all of the kosher certificates. All of the kosher with a signature, you see the number of the certificate. You can verify online, like on OU or K, right? That's Hilava. So simply go on OU.org and search for kosher dog food, and they're going to tell which kosher or not. Very simple. So again, if it's pig, if it's not cow, there is no problem with milk, right? Or if it's chicken, also no problem.